Hello everyone, welcome to Reactivity. Today I'm going to share something amazing with you. So this is our homepage where we are showcasing all our products, like whatever the projects we have made, whatever the things we have been doing a lot of time in our channel. But there is some of the feature projects right here. If you want to go to see all of the feature projects, click on view all, so you can have a very good understanding that what kind of projects is very interesting and engaging the people, because people are purchasing it. And there is all the link is accessible for the YouTube video link, for the live, and for the free code for the GitHub. And also you can go with the purchase with the premium code. But this is not all for that. There is another interesting part, is that free projects. As you can see at the footer, if you click over here, it's gonna take you a separate page where it's just a /free projects. And don't worry about that, the link, it will be in the description, so you can toggle through with that. So what we did here, whatever the video we have been made and whatever the projects we have been made, which is really interesting, you can make page per pages here. So what we did, we bring up all of this project together so that you can have it from this entire segment. And this is whatever is right here is all are free and accessible to you, right? As you can see here, we did this one is one of our fantastic project. If you click on that, you can go to their details about that, what's the e-commerce website, and about the description, take a stake, what we use, and the features and suitable for, so you can have a very good understanding on that. And beside that, if you click on the live demo, you can have the live demo for this project. If you want to see the YouTube video, you can just go through that YouTube video and you can just accessibly see that. And as you can see here, nearly 100,000 people already watching. So you can just go through the projects and have a very good and quick understanding. And if you click on GitHub, you can go through a free version of the projects, which you can clone it and you can use it within your project ratio. And it's totally free. There is no watermark or nothing. There is nothing. You can just grab it, you can use it, you can utilize it and do whatever you want. I have no problem, and the Reactivity has no problem at all regarding that. You can toggle through, like you want only see the portfolio, okay, there is 6 portfolio website. You want to see the blog, there is 4 blog website. If you want to go for the e-commerce, which we are doing more and more, and there is a 12 e-commerce project which we have been with so far. We have the mobile application here is right there, and subscription application website which are responsive but not particularly embedded. That we have the business website and Todo application. So this is the variation what we create for you people, so that you can have it entirely free. And by the way, there is another catch. As we did in Reactivity, we also are having working with the tools. So if you go in the tools section, you can find your relative tools which can be really helpful. As you can see, we have image converter, resizer, email faker, JSON generator, and this is the interesting one which I like, JSON generator. If you go over here, now you need some of the user data, you can generate like that. So you can wrap it, you can copy it from there, you can download it and you can use it. And also you can customize it. Like for user, I don't want to have email, I want to have some, let's say, type, and add. As you can see, type is right here. If you just want to remove the type, you can just bring it at the top, and your sample type is right here. So you can either go with the users, you can go with the products. So there is a lot of things to cover up. And if you go back to there, as you can see, we have the validator for JSON manifest. What I recommend you try on, okay, so it can also give you a very good boost. And also we are having that image converter which can convert image for the JPG, PNG, and WebP. So you can just have to use it, and all of those things are totally free. There is no cost, no charges, nothing. And one of the most important part is that there is a lot of things gonna come. It's just on the process to make the videos which we are going to make for the courses, which gonna come very soon. We're gonna have the courses, then we're gonna have our services. The blog is already there. So some of the things is already there, but some of the things are on the way to go. So this is a go-to website for you, because right now there's a lot of things happening with the AI. So I don't want you to disturb with the lengthy project. You know, it's very difficult if you are watching one of the video, then finding something else. So I think this is the very convenient way where you can find all of this. And also I'm gonna create another tab which can just make that like on onboarding or upcoming, so that you can find whatever project we are looking forward and whatever project we are building and working on it. So this can be a very good go-through guide for you to go with the reactbt.com, and the link, it will be in the description, so you can easily just click on the link, or you can just simply go to reactbt.com, reactbt.com. You get from here everything is just free out of cost, but some of that are exclusive. They need to pay for that because some of the project is very cool. As you can see, for the shop cart, if you go in my premium purchase code, you can see there is 7 people are purchasing that and people are using it. There is almost all of this project, they are multiple times people are purchasing, so that if you are not able to purchase that also, just connect with me. I will try to provide it for you as free, so you can have it by your own. So all the best. I hope it can be really helpful for you as a new developer, or if you're experienced developer looking forward something for the projects. That can be very good help for you. And there I'm gonna bringing up the normal HTML, CSS, and some more other platform projects, and this will be a highly customizable. No worries, there is a lot of things. It will be today you see that, tomorrow maybe it will change. There will be a very up-to-date version for that particular instances. So all the best. Connect with reactbt, get everything as much as you can as free. Okay, so all the best. And if you really feeling that I'm doing something interested, then you can also buy me a coffee for from there. You can just go with that, buymeacoffee.com/reactbt. Also the link, it will be in the description, so you can just grab me a coffee for that, and I'll be very much thank you to you. So all the best, stay tuned, and I'm gonna see you in another video. And by the way, e-commerce is still, I know the video is pending, but no worries, sooner or later, maybe days or something, but you're gonna get everything. You know, I will keep my promise, and I kept several times, so no worries. All the best, and I'm gonna see you in next video.